the new Pikmin. Warning, please do not blame me for interruptions because I am now at my store. Plus, this is a secret camera, so be quiet. You know what I think you are, you stupid freaking idiot? I think you're stupid. You know that? What did I say? What? I can't understand you. What are you going to say? Screw you, I'm out of here. I hate my boss. I can't even understand him anymore. That's how stupid he is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a revolutionary Pikmin that's going to kill him. Hey, you! Are you the legendary Pikmin that I'm going to kill my boss with? Yeah, I might as well be. I mean, whoa! This is the camera. Anyway, I might as well be because what else can I be? I'm bored. Besides, I can multiply. Ready? Here I go. See? Now I got 2 of me. Hee hee, that is fairly interesting. I got an idea. Hey, no piggy. Hey, no piggy. Yo, boss. You know what I think of you? I think you're stupid, even though I just said that a couple seconds ago. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attack. What? I hate my mom.